In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to Excel. You will see exactly what to click so your sheet matches what you hear. First, open your Excel workbook. If it is already open, make sure the correct file is in front. You should see your grid of cells with column letters at the top and row numbers along the side, plus the ribbon with tabs like Home and Insert. Now select the cell where you want the link. Click once so you see the green outline around that cell and its reference in the name box near the top left. Take a second to confirm it is the cell where you want people to click later. Once that is ready, go to the Insert tab. Look at the top of the screen and click Insert so that it is highlighted. The ribbon below will change and you will see groups like tables, illustrations, and links. Next, click Link, or it may be labeled Hyperlink. You will find it in the Links group on that Insert tab. As soon as you click it, a new window opens, usually titled Insert Hyperlink, with options listed on the left side. Alternatively, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the same Insert Hyperlink window, which is often faster than moving your mouse each time you add links. In the window, select Existing File or Web Page. This option sits on the left side. When it is selected, you will see an address box at the bottom where you can type a web address, and above that a place that lists folders and files. In the address box, enter the full URL, for example, https://www.microsoft.com. Make sure you include HTTP or HTTPS so Excel knows it is a web link. As you type, you can glance up to the preview area, which shows how the link will behave. In Text to Display, enter the text you want users to click. This might be something like company website or click here, and it controls what shows in the cell, not the actual address behind it. Beginners often forget this and leave a long, messy link, so adjust it now if needed. Click OK. The window will close, and back in Excel the cell text changes to blue with an underline. That visual change confirms your hyperlink is now active, and you can control-click it to test the website. For the second method, select a cell. Choose any cell where you want a link that opens another file, and confirm its green outline appears. Press Ctrl+K. The Insert Hyperlink window opens again with the same layout as before. Choose Existing File or Web Page. In the center area, browse through your folders until you find the file you want to link. You can double-check the file name in the preview at the bottom. Browse to the file you want to link. Once you have clicked it in the list, you will see its path appear in the address box automatically, ready to use. Click OK. The cell now contains a hyperlink pointing to that file, and when you control-click it, your computer opens that document right away. For the third method, select a cell. Pick the cell that will hold the shortcut to another worksheet or a specific cell inside the same workbook. Press Ctrl+K. Again, the Insert Hyperlink window appears, but this time we will use a different option. Choose Place in this document. When you select this on the left, the right side of the window changes to show a list of worksheet names inside your workbook. Select the worksheet. Click the sheet name you want to jump to, and it becomes highlighted. Below that, you will see a box where you can type the exact cell. Enter the cell reference, for example A1. You can type any valid address here, like B10 or C25, and that is where Excel will take the user when they click the link. Click OK. The cell you selected now shows as a hyperlink, and when someone clicks it, Excel instantly moves to that sheet and cell. You have now created hyperlinks to a website, another file, and another location in your workbook, all inside Excel. If this helped you link your sheets more smoothly, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Excel tips.